Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about recursion in Python. So what is recursion and what is the use of that? So recursion is basically a function is calling from the same function itself, then it is called recursion. And what is the use of recursion? So whenever we want to execute some block of code or block of statement fixed number of time, like as we have seen for loops, so instead of using loop we can use the recursion to the perform or execute the block of statement or block of code fixed number of time. Okay, so let's see the example for recursion, how it is working. So I have one function called def1 and which is taking one argument called n, and after that you first need to write a terminate condition. If n is equal to 0, then return 1. You must need to write the terminate condition for your recursive function. If you are not writing the terminate condition, then it will going into the infinity loop. Okay, and if n value is not 0, then we will call our function again. So this is how we can write the recursive function. And let's call this function, and before I am calling this function I want to print. I'm not returning that, but I'm printing the value of n, so you can understand how function call are made on this function fun. Print n. Okay, and after that I am simply calling the function. You can directly return that function, so you will get whatever value which is returned from this function you can get over here in print, but I am only printing this value of n in function itself, so I am not returning this recursive value. So I am simply currently calling this function. Okay, fine, and let's run this program. And before that, let me separate out the two print statement so we can understand what will be that output. Let's clear this Python3 recursion.py. So I need to pass the argument, so I am passing not 10, 5, so we can see the clear output. Okay, so as you can see how output is printed. So 5 4 3 2 1, which is this print statement have printed, and this is 1, and after that this line 2, this 1, after line 2, after line 3, after line 4, after line and 5, which is printed by this print statement. Okay, so how this recursive function have made the call? So whenever we have called the function from first time, then our argument value is 5, which is coming in into this function definition, and after that we have checked if n value is 0 or not, but our value is 5, so which come over here and it printed the 5 in output. And after that next function call is made. So next function is call is made with our value -1. Okay, so we have decreased our value by 1, 5 minus 1, so 4 will be going to the function which going to the same function, and now again 4 is coming to our function definition, and again we have checked, and we will check till n value is 0. Okay, so print 4 will be printed over here, and next we have to decrease our n value by 1, and which will be decreased until if we are not satisfying our terminate condition. If our condition will be satisfied, then it will return 1. Okay, so this is how our function call is made, and if that function call is completed, then after all the function call are completed, then after our print statement, next print statement is printing the output. Okay, so whenever this function call is completed, all the function call are completed, then after this print statement are working according to our program. Okay, so this is how recursion is working, and you can trace this recursion, and we will see the different example of recursion also. So I hope you have understood the concept of recursion, how it is working, and we can use this recursion instead of the loop. Okay, thank you, see you in the next video.